Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your payment options with Venmo step by step clearly. To reset your payment options with Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email or phone number and password. Once logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, select Settings, which is usually located towards the bottom. In the Settings menu, tap on Payment Methods. Here, you will see a list of your linked payment methods, including bank accounts and cards. To remove an existing payment method, tap on the payment option you wish to delete. Next, look for the Remove option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Confirm the removal by tapping Remove again in the pop-up prompt. To add a new payment method, return to the Payment Methods section. Select Add Bank or Card. Choose whether you want to add a bank account or a debit/credit card. If adding a bank account, select Bank and follow the prompts to enter your bank details. If adding a card, select Card and enter your card information as requested. After inputting your details, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your account. Once verified, your new payment method will be successfully added to your Venmo account. To ensure everything is accurate, you may want to recheck your payment methods list. That's it. You've successfully reset your payment options in Venmo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.